I-juxtapose ko naman yung next slide, wag na yan. I-juxtapose ko yung 2022 at saka 2023 OBP Physical and Financial Plans, confidential intelligence, dalawang budget years. Pakibasa yung last quarter physical target.
Baka pwede pong ma-request na
Okay,
ma-zoom.
Zoom. Pwede bang hindi charge sa time ko? Ako magbabasa. Okay. Letter A, number of identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored. Letter B, percentage of activities implemented without untoward security-related incidents. Paulit-ulit po ito, no? So, sabi ko kanina, kayo naman ay mukhang matalinong tao at matalinong witness. Ano pong analysis nyo dyan?
On the...
Very simply, paano nyong i-analyze yung ganitong klaseng mga descriptions?
These are the activities that will be done, sir.
I know. Pero
Yes,
kung
sir.
i-analyze nyo, ano ibig sabihin nito? Hindi ba ito insulto sa common sense? Hindi man lang nyo binago ng konti, at least si Colonel Lachica siguro ito. No? Unang-una, regular program, sana man lang, pagdating sa PFP, binago nyo yung nomenclature. Tapos, under the physical target, yung column, sana man lang, binago nyo yung activities. Copy-paste eh. Again, ulitin ko, tingin ko sa inyo, matalinong tao, matalinong witness, anong tingin nyo rito? Kung i-describe nyo in one word.
Sir, I cannot...
Ako na mag-describe. I think it's stupid. Sana man lang, binago-bago niya ng konti. Maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer.